Well, he's just very kind, and um, he helped me with this guy that was trying to scam me on Instagram. He was trying to just chat with me, but he could tell that his profile was fake, and so he told him to. Um, he told this guy to stop scamming and get a job. And so at that point, I thought, well, maybe this guy is nice. So I noticed he messaged me on Instagram, so I went ahead and I was a little nervous about the Hizbah because I'm not really aware of what they're about, but they were supportive. They would like me to convert to Islam. My experience in Nigeria?
Yeah.
Well, I've been riding in a tricycle a lot, and that's been kind of fun. The people have been really friendly and welcoming. I went to his family's home and met his family, and then a lot of their friends came over, probably 100, I'm thinking 100 people at least.
Wannan gaskiya gani ke ba komai bane mutum ba koyayyen halitta ma ai ya haka kuma wurin koyayyen halitta kuma yake aika musamman a ba da shakka amma ta wani lokaci za mu ga akwai ɗan ƙarya shi ne amma dai gaskiya haɗuwana da ita ni ban ji wani shakku haka saboda na yi soyayya da mata da dama a social media kuma dai daga ƙarshe dai ba mu ci gaba ba shi amma ya yi wakil.
Well, at that point, I would go back to the U.S. and then we would start the visa immigration process, and it usually takes about 9 to 12 months for that to be completed, and at that point we would move to California.